Hi everyone, my name is Orsi aka Rocky and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. Today I'm going to talk about Dimash, Lera Fabian and Aida Garifulina Ti Amo Cosi. I'm so sorry if I said the name wrong. Yes, this performance was requested by many of you. I tell you honestly, I haven't listened this one because you guys really want me to do a first time reaction. So I will do this one. And this is the first time I hear it. Let's listen and I will talk after that. And by the way, Lara Fabian is one of my favorite singers, so I'm very curious now. All right. Okay, let's see. Okay, clearly that all of them are absolutely an amazing singer, and what a voice is. All of them has obviously very different, very unique. And how is it possible that they just sound so perfect? It's just incredible. I have to tell you that the classical singer lady Aida, I didn't like, and I tell you why. Not vocally. She has up clearly a beautiful voice, great classical voice, but she was acting. This is acting to me. Nothing came through to me. And I was for a second I was a bit worried because I felt a similar thing on Dimash, like why are they acting? Why are not natural? And when Lara Fabian came in, exactly that yeah, he changed, and you see how much it matters who you are singing with. Lara came in and she is so natural, she's so real, and Dimash changed immediately. They had chemistry, but in a very natural, good way. I could tell that they more together, they were more connected. The other lady was to me, I didn't think that she gave any kind of natural, real feeling. That was all act to me. But again, the voice was beautiful. Technicals, I'm good with that, so I have nothing against her. But vocally and expressing the real emotions, real feelings, happened when Lara and Dimash started to sing together. Even though, Aida and Dimash sings in a very classical way, Lara is very modern and still fits together. It sounds so good. It just sounds still so natural. Obviously, Dimash is excellent as always. I love the way actually he uses his classical approach. It's just wonderful. Okay, anyway, let's continue. What's happening? Yeah. Tra il maggiore e il minore esplode quel che ho. Fino all'ultimo respiro io ti cercherò. La sonorità dell'eternità, come poesia, melodia, sei tu vita mia. They are definitely together. They are like one soul, singing as one person. And when you sing a duo with someone, that's very important, that you need to know that you are not one and one. You need to be as one. You need to sing as one. And that's what they do. The third lady is a bit out. Yeah, so yes, obviously that the performance is excellent, absolutely excellent. And when they sang together, that was very nice, and all three of them were excellent. But definitely when I looked at all three of them, I felt like that Aida is just like giving her own performance, and I don't know if it's because Lara and Dimash had more chemistry. I don't know, but that's how I felt, that they were together and that one lady out there on the side. But vocally, beautiful, classical, beautiful head voice, beautiful belting, and Lara is just Lara. So it's yes, pitch perfect, no flat notes, all came through. Expression. It's Italian, so I didn't understand what they sing. Ti Amo Cosi, I understand there is something about love. Me, I love something. But anyway, thank you very much for recommending the song. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm open for any new recommendation. So thank you very much. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. If you are someone who has no chance to take one-to-one lessons for any reasons, you can join our membership site where you can get a lifetime access for audio, video exercises, instructions, explanations. And not only the exercises, you can find the audio files which you can use every single day till the rest of your life. You can ask as many questions as you want from me, from your vocal coach, about any technique, any song, any band, any singer. You find the link below the video so you can start your training even today. Thank you very much and see you soon.